my own weakness. I forgot a pin.
Well, it depends. Whales are mammals, but they just kind of carve out in their metaphorical belly button. It's really funny, but also really. Okay, I once saw a duck take a poop in the water, and I'm just like, wow, that's really gross. Because it's just a white cloud of shit. And I'm like, wow, I hate that. I hate snails. Snails taste of. Have you ever seen snails talk? It's so wholesome. It's so cute. I love the ones where they have the little umbrellas. But I still don't like it. Not physically. I don't secrete mucus. How dare you look at this without my consent?
I mean, if you walk the screen.
You unconsensually looked at my art, Alex. I'm going to Title IX you.
It's nice to see that joke is cross cohorts. What's it? Oh, for games. For the what's the same one for no, no, it's across degree, sorry, across cohorts. The title lining you as a joke.
Oh yeah.
It's like it's cross.
No, that's just a did you?
Yeah, it's nice to see that everybody picks it up though.
Part of the like, yes, it's a serious thing, but like if you harp on how serious something is, then it's just sad. So
Yeah, it's
a joke.
Yeah, it's almost like that's what happened to
Yeah.
So the other day, Will like came up and like gave me a hug, and like I was kind of tossing him like, here's this band, I'm gonna
Wow, this is cool. Plane flies by, blood splatter me. I was. Squirting of blood and then started my bone and I'm just like
Hello, and welcome back to 100 Days of Game Development. And this is the 30th day, and for today's goal, we're going to be implementing the last 10 levels from the prototypes that I made. And if we have enough time, after that, I'll figure out, or rather, I'll go ahead and fix the level buttons that I created to kind of match what the prototype I had for that was. So the first thing I want to do, that I always like to do when I start off, is I like to play my game to like try to remember exactly what it was I was doing the last time. And this time it actually comes in handy because over the past few days I haven't been actually in the game making new content, but instead I've been working outside of the game on some more of the production and getting the game ready to be released at the end of this challenge. Yeah, I'm happy. Oh, I can move all around. You guys saw that, right? Yeah, with the joystick, you move like crazy, and I think I can solve that. Probably not, but I came here to check. I remember I was doing the level select menu. I was working on that, and I spent a lot of time trying to figure out how to get it to work correctly, and I couldn't. There used to be a 1x2 block, and I couldn't like step on this portion of the block. I'm just going too fast. I couldn't step on the left side of the block. They grew out to the left, and when I would step on it, I would either crash the game or nothing would happen at all. And I wasn't able to figure out what it was that was causing that, or like what solution I wanted to solve that with. So instead I decided to just make them all one block. And this is what it looks like after having it be one block, and it still works functionally. So like there's no problem with the functionality. It just looks bad. And I think later I'm gonna go and change that. I can't step on you, or maybe yeah. That's interesting. I guess I don't win the game anymore. I'm gonna go back to the main menu. I'm gonna start, and I'm gonna solve this to see if I can actually get the "you win" screen to come up. That's a new bug. Every time I play, I always find new stuff. But I'll play through it normally. So I seem to have disabled my win condition of the players touching each other, and changed it to something else. But I can progress through the levels if I go to the level select menu. So that's another bug that I'm gonna log down for next time. Let's see, other than that, we can get started with getting the rest of those levels in. Like, nothing is actually stopping me from doing that right there. So, I can no longer win the game. Like, progress. And I can no longer progress through the levels by touching the other player. Yeah. Can no longer progress through the level by touching the other player, which means I can't win, which means no winning the game. Yeah, I'm writing it sloppily too, so I can get back to just to doing some more development. So I have the other levels pulled up.
Wow, that is like
Or the other. Say this is the level select. I want to go over to level 1, level 3. Yes, level 3 is where I was storing the rest of that information, and I remember I have this one done. That was the level 2. So for level 3, I'll do this one right here. Yeah, that seems to be about right.
What? I've never heard that word except for
So let me go ahead and open up the folder. C sharp,
never heard that word.
Rockoban. Let's go to the prefabs under the level, and let's make a new level. Let's go ahead and open this whole. Let's open this whole folder up.
Normally a guitar.
And I remember I did something super nice for myself earlier on, which was that I can now load in an additional JSON file, like level 2 over here, so I can have like base levels to start off with. This will save me a bunch of time when I'm going through and like I don't have to place all of those walls anymore, which is something I'm excited about. See, but this is going to be level 3, level 003.json. Easy day. And I think the players are going to stay in the same place for this one also. So I'm just going to go ahead and copy this, like, and then I can start adding my other things. Put them side by side. There we go. Yeah, the players are still in the same spot. So all I have to do now is just add these crates, which, again, I feel I'm a lazy person, so I'm gonna go grab I'm gonna grab a plate from a crate from over here. Control C, JSON, Control V. There, that's one crate. Tile 1. I could honestly name them 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Like this name right here does not matter. Crate 1. Crate scene. The type is 1. I want to make sure that's the right type by opening up the README. Oh yeah, I also did I made a fancy README using the Markdown language. It looks like this. Because I love documentation. I listed all the colors. I added the available paths for different objects. This could be a little bit bigger. It's there. Font size and how to use it. This is just in case like someone else wants to build a level. There will be some documentation that goes along with it, and they won't be like in the dark. But anywho, okay. I was checking the type. It's like, what if I didn't put in the type? And I could have sworn I did. Maybe, oh. Here we go. So, 1 is the crate. And this first one's gonna go at 6.2. Easy. Here 2. The next one, I'll do this one right here, 8.2. And just go down the line. We got 5.4. 5.4. Crate 4. And that's, oh, I missed this far crate over here. Luckily I can just put them in any order that I want to. 11.3. There we go. 9, 4. 9, 4. Okay, 2 more crates to go. One at 6.5 and one at 8.6. 6.5 and 8.6. And oh yeah, just make sure to change their names. There's only 7 crates in this level. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna check if that level works. I say if I set up my system correctly, I should just be able to transport over to that level to check if it works. Yeah. Yeah. Let's go ahead. Haha. Look at that. See? That was quick. Time me. That was probably like 7 minutes worth of work. And then the level's in. And I can go and play it, and I still can't win, but I can move the blocks around like everything else still works. I can probably even trap this guy in here. Ooh. Which gives me... Wait, I have something on my screen, I'm sorry. I'm touching it, and my screen is touchscreen. Alright. That's super cool. But there's no way for me to... Oh, I can reset the level. Yes, I was just thinking about, man, I have no way to reset this level if I get this guy stuck. But, nope, it exists. I mean, technically he wasn't stuck. And still now he's not. He can still get out of that. I'm going to make it impossible for him to get out of that. This is what we call trolling. Ah, well, I messed it up again. And... You know what? Just for the sake of it, let's get this guy really stuck in here. I'm confident I can do it. There we go. And now when I go, yep, there's no way he can move out of here no matter what he presses. Cool. Super cool. Alright. I'm done with that level. Let's move on to the next level. I gotta start pumping my way through these. Oh, that looks like an easy one. That looks like an easy one. Level 4. Rename, or I guess when I go to save it. Yeah. I can be like this. Or okay, cool. It didn't save it as the... It didn't have me rewrite my thing over. I'm going to go over here. Rename F2. Level 004. .json. Alright. Nope, I don't need... I'll keep this over here. I wonder if I can pin this. Split. Nope. Okay, cool. I'll go ahead and grab tile 1 also. Just grab all of this. All of this. Even the top. Alright, man, I won't grab the top. I'll just grab all me and my mouse pad. There we go. Or Control Z. Control Z. I'll put it like this, and then put them in. Control Shift I. It reformats them weird. I'm not exactly a fan of this type of curly brace setup, but nevertheless, it works. It's fine. So the next thing we're gonna do is put this crate. We'll just go down the line. It's 4, 5, 6, 9, 10, or you know, on the 4. So 4, 5, 6, 9, 10, 11. Okay. Not that hard to remember. 4, 4. Man, what am I doing? I'm pressing all these other buttons over here. And all I have to do is change this right here. 5. And I guess probably change these names, otherwise the names get name mangled and it makes it a little bit harder for me to debug and like know which ones are which. 4, 5, 6, 9, 10, 11. Okay. Oh, 4, keep that 4, wrong thing. 9, no, there you go. 2 more. Woo. Okay, now I'm gonna check to make sure that this level works. Look at that, like, I'm busting through getting all these levels in here. Just go straight to the level select, go over to level 4, and there it is. Put it side by side. Make sure that I typed it in right. Yeah. Look at that. Look how easy that is to solve. I thought that would be harder to solve, but I guess not. Easy. Oh, you guys saw that, right? We all saw that. That was a glitch. It's like the screen flashed a little bit with the red and it was stretching one of the tiles. Okay. Done with that. Let's move on to the next one, which is going to be like the same thing but vertical. This is going to be level 5. There. So I won't mess up saving it this time. I don't think anyway. Level 5. Save. Yeah, let's go ahead and grab all the cool stuff from level 4. A single crate. And the rest of this. Control V. There we go. Well, I'll need that in a second. So, tile 1, crate 1. Perfect. I have 4 crates in this one. At 7.2 and 7.3. And 7.3. Yeah. And then at 8.5 and 8.6. I'll fix the names in a second. Seven, 4, 7, 5. Yay. 3 and 4. There, 4 tiles, all done. Yeah, let's go check to make sure. Let's check on that one right there. So that's level 5. Let's go ahead and hit the pause, skip all that. Again, another simple one. It's kind of fun trapping them in there. Like if I move, I might have. No, I guess there's no way for me to completely trap them in this one, but I tried. Okay. Alright, on to the next level. This next level is, it's looking... Oh, that looks like a... I guess a combination of both, why not, you know? Can you make it out of this one? Okay. There. save this one. Level 6. Grab this stuff. Control V. Man. Tile 1, crate 1. So the first crate is at, let's just kind of scroll that over a little bit. 5-2. Control C. Control V. I guess I'll fix the names all at the end, honestly, because I can go through them a lot quicker if I don't. Now it's 6-3. And it I'm glad that it highlights like what's wrong with them. Ooh. I got a message about another project I'm working on currently also. Okay. I'm interested to read it, but I'll have to read it after I stream. Aw. Okay. He's telling me I'm having some dependency issues. Just from the short messages. So I'll definitely have to talk with him later about that and discuss what we want to do. Maybe he'd be interested in helping me out with this, with this one, or doing some play tests for it. So now that I'm getting these levels in, I'm gonna be super happy to like have people go and play test it and like say, hey guys, this is the first actual iteration of the game. I'll also be hosted on my website and probably a few other places because it's really fun and it's really simple and easy to download. 6-4. Let's see, did I do that one right? 4-5? 5-4. Haha. I swear I pay attention. 6-2, 6-4. Okay. There you go. 4-4, 5-4, 6-4, 9, 10, 11. There we go. 9, 4. 10, 4. 11, 4. Okay. Now we can go get these last two, which are going to be 9-5 and 10-6. And 10-6. So it's a total of 8. Is there really only? Oh, no, okay. There's 10 tiles now. Like, is there really only 8 tiles in there? Okay. I can go back and name them the correct names. Tile 1, crate 1. Tile 2, crate 2. See, tile 3. I can probably do it better over here with my numpad. I take it back. Hitting that backspace. 4.
Hello.
Hey.
Can I borrow like a whiteboard marker?
Hey, say again?
Can I borrow a whiteboard marker?
Yes, if you see one. Yeah, go ahead.
Oh, these are whiteboard markers. Okay.
Yeah, yeah, they look like kind of like highlighters, don't they?
Okay.
Yeah. 5. Tyleo 5. 6. Yeah, I'm getting better at this inputting number stuff. Okay, I'm almost done. This is the 7th tile. Wait, do I stink at counting? I feel like I skipped a number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, they're 10. There are 10. I'm just really bad at counting, I guess. That's why I write programs that count for me. Okay, that makes sense because 1 counts as a number. Okay. Oh, I got two up here that are... Ah, I did miscount, okay. So I'll name this crate 10. There. And this is level 6. Let's go ahead and test it out. I feel like I actually might have like a little bit of trouble solving this one, I won't lie. Or I'll switch it up. I'll use the other player this time. Let's go level 6. Okay. Nope, okay, no problems. Got it. Yay. Okay, I thought it was gonna be harder than it was gonna be, but I was mistaken. There we go. Trapped him in there. Wins. Okay.
Pardon my language.
Yeah, we have to take a business class.
Okay, the next level 7, is going to be basically the same.
Well, how do you know if you did it right?
Oh, level 007. .json. There we go. Yeah, I guess I got kind of lazy. This one only has 6, so I can go ahead and go up to 5. I can't go down. My trackpad. Okay. There. That's ready to go. They're all named different things, so I can like skip that process if I really want to. I think I'm going to. So the first tile is at, scoot this over a little bit, 5-2. 5-2, great. The next tile's at 7-2. And then we have, oh, they have these two tiles, 6-3. And then 7-3. Okay, maybe I underestimated how many tiles were in this by an additional 2 tiles. That would have been awkward. There we go. 7-3. Okay. Next is 8-5. 8-5. I'll go back and number these correctly, maybe. Hi, maybe. Where's there an additional tile number 4? Or it's probably down here, isn't there? It was tile 4, tile 5, tile 4, tile 5. Okay. I was like, what? Why are the numbers messed up? Okay. Tile 5 is going to be 9-5. Tile 6 is going to be 8-6. Alright. And then tile number 7 is going to be 10-6. 10-6. Name that tile 7. There. Tile 6. Or crate 6 and crate 7. Alright, let's go ahead and check that out. Level 7. Okay. Nope. Okay, I can still solve it at least. Woo! Maybe I shouldn't solve these for anyone who's watching, because that would make for easy answers. I did, yeah. But yeah, because I generally know how to solve most of these. And I'm guessing, or they just may not be that hard, honestly. But it's kind of hard to tell since I've been doing a lot of research on the Rockoban and playing a lot of the Rockoban style games. So I've just kind of started having a good knack for what So which ones are difficult for me, at least. Okay. Here, yeah, I'll just copy all this. Control C. Look at level 6. Okay, this one's gonna have a lot of crates in it. Or this is level 8, actually. Let me go ahead and save it. Oh. As just that. Yeah, I'll put some crates in, and then we'll just go down one by one and add more crates. So first crate is going to be at, I'm going to do this all the time, 4-2. Next crate, okay, 6-2. I think I got this. 8-2. And then we're done. And then 10-2, okay. And then we're done with that section. Okay, let's add another 4. Because it looks like it's 4 for every row. So Control Z. Whatever I did there, I messed up everything. Control Shift I. I sure did. There we go. Oh, it's probably because I tried pasting the whole thing instead of just another 4 tiles. There we go. Like, simple mistakes like that after like being repetitive, you know, really gets to you. Okay, top 5. Crate 5. It's gonna be at 5-3. Six. It's gonna be at 7-3. Yeah, I say I put 4 there. I meant to put 3. Nine, 3. Yeah, I think I got a good pattern going on. Tile 8. $11.3. Okay, let's go ahead and add some more tiles. 9, still don't have to do it. 10, 11, 12. Oof. Same. Maybe if I had a mouse, this would go quicker. Hindsight 2020. I have a mouse. It's just that I typically don't bring it with me, and I get to minimize on the amount of space I take up, which is something I do like. But I lose my range of motion, as you can see, as you've seen if you've been watching the stream. Like, highlighting things is just such a hard thing to do sometimes. Okay, this one only has a row of 3, so. It has 4-4. We have 6-4. And then specially we have 10-4. 10-4. Okay, and we don't need this tile right here. Just for the sake of copying and pasting and the pattern, I'm gonna delete it and then add more tiles. Okay. Tile 12. Yeah, I'll just go down one by one. Tile 12 is going to be at 5-5. Tile 13. Is going to be 7-5. Okay, yep. I got the pattern. For the last 2 at least. 14, 9, 5. Okay. 15. Great, 15. So 9-5. Oh, this is going to be 11-5. Okay. Okay, now we're in the last 4 crates, so we are almost done here. 16, 16, 17, 17. Just so I don't have to think about it and like keep switching back and forth between looking at one side of the screen and the other. 19. So a total of 19 crates for this level. I'm now seeing that's just a lot of crates. Okay, we're on row 6, so 6, 6, cool. Kind of nice how that worked out, like 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6. Okay. And then that should be 8, 6, and then 10, 6. Okay. Oh, this last one only had 3 also. What was I thinking? Okay, and I don't need this last tile. So now, let's go check it out. This is level number 8. And that means I only have 4 more levels to go, and we're already halfway through, or I would say only halfway through. And like that means like may have a chance to go do something else. Ah, so I couldn't place crate 18 at 10-6 because crate 4 is blocking it. So it looks like I already placed 10-6, and I can see that I'm missing a block over here. So that's an easy fix. I'm glad I put those statements in there, honestly. So 10-2. I could just make this 10-2. That would be pretty good. But actually, let me go back up here to my crate number 4 and just put 2 right there. You know, keep things ordered nicely, somewhat. Okay, let's load it back up. Make sure that that was the right fix. Okay, level 8. That does look like everything, and I can kind of make out like how I would go and start solving this, but I'm definitely gonna. This one looks like one of the more funner ones to try to solve, so I'll just leave it up for the player to figure out, or anyone else. Ah, that looks way easier to do. Oh my god. All right. What I am going to do, since this one has the most tiles, I will copy this one. So there's less copy pasting I have to do. It's going to be the 9th level. 009.json. Control A, Control C, Control B. There we go. Alright, so this one has a total of 10, so I only need to go to tile 10, and I can get rid of the ones below it. Yeah, much easier to copy downward than it is to copy upward. Okay, so the first tile is going to be at 4, 4, 3. Easy enough. Tile 2. I'm just gonna go across horizontally like I was doing before. 6, 3, and then 9 and 11, 3. Oh, 9, 3, 11, 3. All right. We have 2 crates on row 4, which is 5, 4, and 10, 4. Okay. And then we have 4 more crates. No problem, man. We have at 4, 5, 6, 5, 9, 5, and 11, 5. Did I remember all of that? Not really. 4, 5, 6, 5. Oh, 66, 5. 6, 5. 9, 5. and 11.5. Looky there. Okay, let's go check that one out. That one was really quick also. Play the game. Level select. That was level 9. I'm missing one, or and it looks like I'm just straight up missing the one that's right here. So let me go ahead and see if I like skipped one or something. I don't think I skipped one. Maybe I just needed one additional one, and maybe I just don't know how to count. That's always the case. 10-4. I could have sworn I put 10-4 in here, and I did not. One, but it seems like 10 tiles. Where's that other tile at? 11.5, 9.5, 5.5. Is it this tile right here? That's at 7.10. A little out of place, don't you think? 7.4. You know what? There probably was a tile there. This probably was a crate there, and I didn't even notice. 7.10. Oh, 7.10's off of the place. So like, yep. I am not printing any messages when I print things off of the grid. So, but maybe I can. I'm pretty sure I'm checking for him. I'm just not. Hey.
I didn't know you were a pal.
I'm not a pal. I'm streaming right now.
There you go.
Yeah.
Our build also outputs an HTML file now that has all of the errors from each OS and the results from the testing and stuff. So all you have to do to see that is just go to where we submit the build, and there's a HTML file called build results.
Thanks. Thank you. Yeah, I haven't got a chance to fully read the messages that you put up, but about Godot, you were saying that it's the Linux version requires something.
The Linux version requires 10 dependencies.
Okay.
So
yeah,
you have to list that because, or else somebody's going to be playing DLL and hope that they get lucky. And we have to specify that it requires X input 2 because some distros don't support X input 2, and if it doesn't work, Godot doesn't work. So either we need to find a way to disable that, or we'll have to look at that dependency.
Okay. I guess let's see. I can do it. I just need to know where should I be listing the dependencies, or yeah.
I would list them in a README or something.
Okay.
Because they're not going to be able to launch the application without the dependencies. But some of the dependencies, you're going to be installing a lot of junk, hoping that one of them has the right file. Yeah.
Okay.
And if at all possible, if we could disable X input 2 and use even X input 1.4, that'd be fantastic.
Okay.
Because there are distros that don't support X input 2. So yeah.
Okay, yeah. So I'll write that down, and see. I'll start looking at that later tonight. See, X inputs 1.4, not version 2, and then yeah, make sure to list the dependencies that Godot requires. You're saying that's only if somebody wants to like build from source, or
That's just to run it.
okay, to run the that's just to run the engine. Okay. Yeah.
The other question, and it's not a problem if we can't. Why is the executable so big?
No, because I haven't disabled like the 3D library. I mean, yeah, I haven't optimized executable for just being a GUI.
That's fine. Because it's really big.
Wait, how? I guess I didn't check. How
It's
big is
20
it?
megabytes.
Damn. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, the entirety of the project counts up to the same size as our executable.
Okay.
And it's not a problem if it has to be that large, but if we can shrink it down,
Oh, absolutely. Yeah.
sounds good.
Okay. Thank you. Make sure to. Sadness. Okay, back to what we were doing. We were checking this next level out, level 9, or were we done? Oh wow! Wait a minute. Okay, could not place pawn at 7, 4. 1, 2, or 1, 2, 3, 4. Something there's blocking. Wall. It's saying a wall's blocking it. That's not right. There. What's going on? Well, tell you, was I? Well, I wasn't trying to place a block at 7-4. I didn't think. Well, I was trying to place a block at 7-4. How am I getting this all wrong? 10-4. I believe it's 10-4. 10-4. Man. Big oof. Okay, ooh, that loaded. That took a sec to load. Okay, level 9. Yay, got it. Man. Yeah. Yeah, look at that. Okay. And you got 15 minutes and 3 levels to implement. I think I can do it. Let me go ahead and look at these levels. I may not be able to complete this in 13 minutes. I mean, I have 1 extra level. Well, I don't have 1 extra level. I'm counting my levels weird. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. On to the next one. This one has a total of 2, 5, 6, 7, plus 5, 12 in it, and I'm using 10 here. Not more than that one, but 12 is pretty good. I'll go ahead and grab that. Or this is 18. Still more. And they're all named the right. Yeah, okay. Level 10. Zero, 1, 0. Making it to the double digits. Okay. Tile. I do this to myself every time. 4-2. Four, 2, and then 8-2. There we go. Three, 5, 7. Sorry, brother. 5-3, 7-3, and 10-3. Gotta be slower. 5-3, 7-3, and 10-3. Okay. Then I have 6-4 and 9-4. 9-4. Tile 8. Okay, I only got 10 tiles. I need more tiles. We're on tile 8. So tile 8 is going to be 5-5, 8-5, and 10-5. 5-5, 8-5, and 10-5. Cool. Need 2 more. Did I count that right? 5, 6. Okay, yep, just 2 more. I'll go ahead and just copy these. I thought I was going to need 4 more. tile 11 and tile 12. Yay. Which is going to be, or, okay, 5, 5, yep. It's going to be 7, 6, and 11, 6. And 11, 6. Alright. So, let's check this one out. This is level 10. Level 10. Oh no, I gotta. Oh no, what have I done? I see. I have these double digit zeros, but it's just gonna pin the number to it instead of like. Okay, let's rename this. But you won the game, so I see where you can win the game if there's just like invalid levels. There we go. Boom. So let's play that again. 0, 0, 10. Oh man. Okay. That looks about right. I mean, it looks super weird, but let's look at that. Marvel for a hot second. Boom, boom. Okay, okay, yeah. I think this one is actually one of the harder ones. And now we can move to some puzzles where the players actually move location. I could probably write some more with them in different locations also. I haven't figured out exactly where I would want to put them, to be honest. Okay. This is going to be level 0011. Alright, I can probably control V. Nope. That was a lie. Control Z. Well, I'll even format it. 12 tiles. This one has 3. Well, I'm just gonna count like this. This looks kind of random. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 tiles. So 12 is gonna be quite enough. Or Control A, Control C. I'll just grab all 18. Control V, and then just delete the last 3. If I need more, I'll add more. We already know how bad I am at counting. Okay, but this time the players get to be somewhere else. So player 1 gets to be at 7, 5. And then player 2 gets to be at 8, 3. Okay, now we can start putting the tiles in. 6, 2, and 9, 2. And then 5, 9, 10, 11, 3. 5, 3, 9, 3, 10, and 11. 10 and 11. Okay, and then we have 4, 6, and 11, 4. Oh, my bad, and 11, 4. 5, 4, 5, 6. So 4, 5, 6, 10, 5. 4, 5, 6, and 11. 4, 4, 5, 6, 11. Okay. And then for the last two, 6, 6, and 9. 9, 6. I think I need one more. Wow. Nine, 6. So call this tile 16. Because me, and being bad at counting, has already been established more than once today. Okay, this is on level number 11, so let's go ahead and find that. Okay, I see. I feel like I'm, there we go. Crate 10 at 6-4, when it should be at 10-5. Or I need a crate at 10-5 at least.
Want to see something amazing?
That I feel like I'm missing. Oh, I have one at 11-5 when it should be at 6-5, and where else am I missing one? 1, 2, 3, 4, that one, and that, and then that should be over. So I'm gonna go look at crate 10 actually, and see what is it doing at 6-4. I probably skipped it. That's probably it. 11-4. Do I have one? I don't have one going to 10-5. Oh, this one's supposed to go to 10-5. Which means I only needed 16. I'm gonna get rid of 10 here. I'm not gonna renumber it. This is just an extra tile that I had messed up counting on, I believe. So now I'm gonna reload that level. See what else I'm missing. Hey, with 3 minutes left. Level 11. Okay, everything looks pretty clean here. Alright, alright. This is like a pretty challenging puzzle, I won't lie. So, we're gonna move on. I have 2 more puzzles to do, and I only have 2 minutes to do them. So, actually what I'm gonna do instead is I'm gonna leave those for either off stream or the next time. Tomorrow night I'll go ahead and quickly put those in, because they have some blocks. They exist. Things are happening here. But I'm super happy. I got more levels in. I think we can sort of progress through the stages a little bit now. just a little bit. I may have to go and fix that bug about progressing. Yeah, I probably am gonna have to go fix that, because right now, like, there's no way. Or rather, I think I can. Nope, not even here. I'm gonna restart the whole game. Because like what got me into the first level before is when I touched the player. Or not. Like, that's just super disabled. Well, yeah, I guess I want it disabled here, but I don't want it to be disabled in the levels, which is what's happening. I'm like, wah. Anyway, that's it for today's stream. I feel like I made a lot of progress when it comes to making it seem more like a game. As soon as people are able to progress smoothly through the levels, like then everything's gonna be nice. And I think what I'm gonna work on for the next time is I'm gonna work on getting fixing the 2 bugs that I had of fixing the level buttons so that they both buttons exist, or both sides are gonna have a 1x2 button at least, and I'm gonna fix the players win condition. Like those are just the more I code, the more bugs show up, and never more of a truer statement. But I'm happy. Like this is a game, like for real. There we go. And my buddies. My buddies can be buddies. So thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a good night. No, I don't want to exit. I just want to stop